Restoring Trust, a Journey Through Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and meaningful phrase, restored trust. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it a significant part of the English language. So, let's get started. Restored trust refers to the regaining of confidence or belief in someone or something that was previously lost or damaged. It's a powerful concept in relationships, business, and personal growth. This section will explore the components of trust, how it can be broken, and the implications of having it restored. In this part, we'll look at real-life examples to see how restored trust is used in various contexts. From personal relationships to public figures and organizations, understanding how this phrase is applied will help you grasp its full meaning. Restoring trust isn't an overnight process. It involves acknowledgement of the breach, sincere apologies, and consistent actions over time to rebuild the lost trust. This section will discuss the steps and challenges involved in this process, offering insights into why it's a significant and often difficult journey. Trust is deeply rooted in cultural and emotional contexts. Here, we'll explore how different cultures view trust and its restoration, and the emotional journey of both the party working to restore trust and the one granting it again. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, restored trust. We hope this video has shed light on the depth and complexity of trust, how it can be broken, and the beautiful process of restoring it. Remember, language is not just about words, but the powerful ideas and emotions they convey. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.